BabyBus.
First, set the tableware. There are strict rules on the tableware setting in a French restaurant. Don't place them casually. This is my first time at a French restaurant. Could you please give me some must-try suggestions? First, order an appetizer. Salad. Then, select an entree. Pan-fried sole fish. At last, choose a dessert. Macaron. Appetizer. Salad. Choose the things you need. Salad mix. Slicer. Spoon. Vegetable knife. Egg. Please choose a type of salad for your customers. Shrimp salad. Salads, mixed veggies, or fruits that are seasoned with sauces. Make the salad. Choose 3 ingredients for the salad. Select one type of dressing. Hollandaise sauce. Let's find these seasonings. Egg yolk. Water. Lemon juice. Salt. Clarified butter. Wow! The delicious salad is finished! Sorry for the wait. Here is your appetizer. Before starting to eat, fold your napkin in half and place it on your thigh. Entree, pan-fried sole fish. Choose the things you need. Sole fish. Milk. Spoon. Flour. Pan-fried solefish is a common French dish. The crispy skin and juicy, tender flesh are well received. Pan-fried solefish. Salt. Black pepper. Soak the flounder in milk to make it tender. Milk. Flour. Then coat the sole in flour. At a French restaurant, the service staff will remove the bones before serving it to the customer. Choose a nice-looking plate. The savory pan-fried solefish is done! Here is your entree. Bon appetit! If you are done eating, place your knife and fork to the right of your plate. Dessert, macaron. Choose the things you need. Pastry bags. Macaron baking tray. Mixer. Macarons are like small French cookies that are cute and come in a variety of colors. A crisp outside pairs with a sweet, creamy filling to make an extremely delicious treat. Make macarons! What color of macarons do you want to make? Not enough coins. Flour. The macarons need to be the same size. macaron shape. Let's first set the temperature. Then set the cooking time. Choose the cream color you like. Choose a nice-looking plate. So many cute toppings. Which one is best? Wow, the sweet macarons are all done! Your dessert is here. Please enjoy. After eating, remember to use the corner of the napkin to wipe your mouth and fingers. Usually people would have a cup of coffee after the dessert, which signals the end of a French meal. Collect the tableware into the corresponding tub.